y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Ky'Lia, and in today's video I will show y'all how I get these thick and natural looking brows. So first I start off with a little bit of this got to be glue styling gel, and yes y'all, I do use a gel on my brows. This gets my hair super slick and they stay in place all day because I do brush them up and then I do brush them over, and doing this will help your brows look way thicker than they really are. So if you want thick looking brows but don't really want to fill your brows in, this little trick will be perfect for you. So I'm just doing the same thing to both brows. Again, just applying a little bit of the gel, taking the spoolie end of my brow pencil and just brushing my hairs up, and then I'm just gonna brush them over. So now that I have them in the shape that I want them, I'm just going to take this brow pencil, and this is the Morphe Micro brow pencil in the shade Mocha. And as always, I will leave everything in the description box below. So I'm just gonna take this and do hair-like strokes throughout my brow where I feel that it's a little sparse, because again, I did brush my brows upward so I can see any sparse areas. And I don't focus on making the shape as perfect because, like I said, this is a natural brow that we're going for. And always remember, your brows are sisters and not twins. So if they don't look exactly alike, then that's okay. So now I'm just going in with my Gimme Brow by Benefit in shade number 5. Y'all, I love this stuff, and this stuff is perfect to use on its own as well. And all this product is doing is adding a little bit of more color to my brows because I do want them to stand out and pop, even though we are going for a more of a natural look. So again, just brushing this through my brows. And y'all, have a scar in that brow, and I don't focus on covering it or filling it in. I just let it do what it do. So now I'm just going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer to carve out the bottom of my brow, and I am using a small concealer brush from Morphe. So I'm just taking this to carve out the bottom of my brow, and since we are keeping it natural, I only do the bottom. So yeah, I'm just going right underneath my brow shape. And like I said, y'all, your brows are sisters and not twins, so it's okay if they don't look exactly alike, because again, this is a more of a natural brow routine. And now I'm just gonna buff the concealer out with this buffing brush by Morphe, and I'm gonna try my best to leave the number of these brushes down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, y'all, this is all I do for my natural brow routine. It is super quick and easy, even if you don't have naturally full or thicker brows. This routine will definitely help you achieve the look. So yeah, y'all, this is it for this video, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, comment down below any other videos you would like to see from me, hit the bell so you don't miss when I post new videos, and I will see you in my next one.